How to change name on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to change name on Facebook. Launch Facebook app. Sign in. Tap 3 bar menu icon at top right. Scroll down. Tap on setting and privacy and expand the section and choose settings option. Now tap see more in account center. Tap your profile. Choose Facebook account. Now tap on name. So here you can see the first name and last name. You can easily state your name and then change it. Currently, I have changed my name on February 4th, so I will not be able to change it in the last 60 days. So you can even or still change the order right now. But if you haven't done so, you can change your name and then save it. So that's how you can easily change name on Facebook. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.